Welcome, I'm Jamie aka Markdown Live, and in this video we're going to be looking at Twitch panels. For those of you not familiar with Twitch panels, these are the sections found on the About page of your Twitch channel. They are used both for extensions such as leaderboards and countdowns, or you can make your own custom panels for channel rules, system configs, bios and such. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be updating my games played panel and consolidating all my social panels into a single. First, we're going to click on the Edit Panels switch to enable editing mode. This changes all your panels into generic tiled input panes. These panels can be dragged around to rearrange the order. Twitch uses a flexbox layout. This is where each panel will be arranged across the screen in a row at a set width. When the panels reach the end of the row, they wrap back around to start filling in below where the panel above finishes. This means there is a bit of trial and error depending on the sizes of your panels to get them to arrange to your liking. Once in this edit mode, you can set the title, or in the case here, you can upload an image to serve as your title. As the images sit below the panel title, you are not restricted to one or the other. You could use the image as a graphical underline or separator for the title and the description. The large box for the description is where you enter the main content of your panel. This text box supports the Markdown language also found in Discord and YouTube descriptions. This more human readable language allows you to add formatting in an easier way than using HTML or other web languages. It also allows you to add formatting such as headers, italics, bolds, as well as adding links. So let's get started. First off, I'm going to add an image to my games panel and delete the existing panel title, then click Submit to save the changes. Now it's time to consolidate the social links. First, I'm going to scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the blank rectangle with a faint plus sign to add a new panel. And I'm going to select to add a text or image panel. Now let's add an image to serve as the title for this panel. Now we need to add some content and some links. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to have a bold title stating what the link is. We start with opening a square bracket to denote that it is a link description. Then I'm going to add 2 stars to show that the following text is bold. This first link is going to be for Discord. So let's type that in and then end bold with 2 stars and then close the square bracket to show the end of the description text. Next we need to add the link address. We do this with a standard round bracket and then we insert the link, which I've copied for ease, before closing the bracket. Now if we click Submit to save the panel and exit the editing, we can see we have a section labelled Socials along with a bold link that would take you to my Discord server. Now we just need to go back to editing mode and add the rest of the links. As I no longer have the need for the individual panels, we can delete these by clicking the Remove button and then again on the Confirmation Remove button. After a slight bit of trial and error rearranging the panels, we have a layout that looks nice for a standard HD monitor. And that concludes this video on making Twitch panels. I hope you found it helpful. If you have, don't forget to give this video a like and get subscribed for more tutorial and gaming videos. Thanks for watching.